Hey guys, today in this video, let's learn how you can sign up for Capital One Bank online. First thing first, launch your browser. At the top search bar, type in Capital One Bank sign up. Then you'll see opening and bank account online button. Click onto it. You will get landed onto its official website. Under opening a bank account online, there is everything that you should know to get started. So read all these. And under first thing first, who can open a bank account online, click on open an account, which is a link which will direct you to a page like this. Now wait for this to get load. Under compare checking and savings account, these are the account types that you can open. You may go ahead and click onto it. And these are the accounts that you can open under checking accounts. Now if you would like to view more details, you may go ahead and click on view details about this specific account type. Now in my case, I'm going to go ahead and open this account. So click on open account here. And it will ask you, do you already have a Capital One login? Here in my case, I don't have any, so I'm clicking no, but you can click yes if you have any. Under let's get started, these are the things that you should know. They will ask you for info like your name, address, and SSN number. Make sure that you have all these, then click on continue. Now this is the steps that you should follow. Type in your first legal name, your last legal name, and then click continue. And likewise, you have to follow all these instructions related with your personal information, identity, terms and conditions, and then fund. And once you passed all these, you will be able to open an account in Capital One.